And he's been making bad choices. Keep your dick in your pants, you wouldn't have a kid at 18 without a high school education. Good morning. What do you got?
We have a plea charge in a Singleton case.
Come on up.
Waiting for defense counsel.
All right.
Now, are we ready on Singleton?
Gentlemen, your appearance is on Singleton.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good morning. Steve Allen on behalf of the people.
And good morning to your honor, court staff, Jonathan Roberts, the 86 Court Suite on behalf of Mr. Singleton. Statement in the order.
Thank you. What do we got?
Your Honor, with your approval, the defendant will plead guilty to 2 counts. They'll plead guilty to count 3 driving while licensed suspended. And also, Judge, added count 4. Added count 4 is a 1-year misdemeanor known as attempt, fleeing and eluding in the 4th degree. And that would be under the penal code, Judge.
All right. And Mr. Singleton, have you discussed your rights and options with counsel? You understand those rights and the options they present to you today? You understand the possible penalty for those 2 charges? Attempt and the drove while license suspended? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to those charges? Are you doing so freely and voluntarily today? Are you doing so freely and voluntarily? All right. Counsel, if you would voir dire, give me the facts I need. Incident date, August 23, counsel, if that's what you're looking for.
On that date and time, Mr. Singleton, were you in a motor vehicle? Were you driving that vehicle? At some point during that evening, did you encounter the police? And did the police flick their lights on to indicate that they were initiating stop? And did you disregard those lights and continue driving down the road? And at the time you were driving down the road, you did understand that those were police officers? Defense is satisfied.
All right. And at that time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied, sir? I'll accept the plea to the added charge and dismiss original counts 1 and 2. Well, 3 was the charge, DWLS. So I'm inclined to send it for a pre-sentence investigation unless you guys try to talk me out of it.
This is the first offense that's going to be under HIDA. I think, this court hasn't.
No objection to HIDA? Sorry to cut you off, counsel. All right. Go ahead, counsel.
Super big structure in downtown. There shouldn't be any issues. Part of this condition second or they want you that goes to get that license worked on and driving so that license is,
Right.
So I'm saying, in terms of fines and costs, his family is here, has a lot of support.
Good.
First last time it isn't criminal.
No priors? Okay.
Your Honor, if I may,
Yeah, please.
especially recommend reporting probation, no jail, under the useful basics.
Thank you. Mr. Singleton, where'd you go to high school? Graduate?
Still,
You're in your senior year? What's your GPA? Yeah. And in 30 years on the bench, that means it's not nearly as high as it could be. Am I right? What are your plans post high school? Yeah, what do you plan on doing after high school?
I wouldn't be my senior.
Okay. What do you have to do to get your driver's license straightened out? Has he ever had a license, counsel?
I think it's been tickets.
Okay.
I don't know what.
Okay.
Just the tickets to or the light.
Right. Is that woman with the head bobbing back there, mom? Sister? I'm sorry to hear that. Can I hear from your sister? Because it sounds like she might know more about your business than you do. Is that all right? Ma'am, come on up. State your name for me. Miss Singleton, do you know the status of his license?
They were.
Come on up here with a microphone so I can hear you better. You're all right. Come on up.
They weren't put on the restriction.
Because of too many points. Can you run it? Print it out?
We don't get much of it.
He got in enough to see me. That's too much. And that's too much. Yeah. His biggest trouble is because he can't tell me he's doing the best he can in school. I didn't make that kid. And the fact that you're a father is not going to make your life easier without an education. Keep talking off, bud, because I'm getting ready to send you. Keep talking. Keep flapping those jaws. Because you're telling me all I need to know about you right now.
So Judge Oakley, not having his dad and his like losing his mom, there is a lot there.
Absolutely. And it all sucks. It all sucks. But every day this young man gets up and he gets to make his own choices today. And he's been making bad choices. Keep your dick in your pants. You wouldn't have a kid at 18 without a high school education. Tell me I'm wrong. Smart man, tell me I'm wrong. Counsel, come on up. I can't let you have it, but I want you to look at it because the way I'm reading that, it says he's eligible for restricted right now. But it's been years since I could read those because they keep changing the format and they keep making them worse. I think he's eligible for driving privileges. Would you agree or disagree?
Suspension effective from July. I don't know how long the suspension would last. I'm fine. I mean, as a condition, I would be fine with either saying he just cannot drive without a valid license, and that would kind of solve the issue.
All right.
Your Honor, may I address the court?
Yeah, please.
Thank you, Rob. If he's convicted of suspended license, as you all know,
It's going to, Yeah.
Your permission, Judge, I would like to have him plead instead of reckless driving count 2. I think there will be more than 9 versus driving women.
I didn't know that points.
it's going to be 6 points versus 2. The DWS is 2 points.
Judge, if I may, I would
I'll tell you what. Hold on. Let's get outside the box a little bit. If you want to be generous,
Yeah.
let him plead to allowing an unlicensed driver to operate, which is the same thing you'd give her if she let him drive when he was suspended, right? No points. All right. Won't stop you from straightening his license out. And I'm going to require that he get his license before he's off this HIDA, or I won't give him HIDA. You understand that? So he just agreed to save you 2 points and another suspension period. Yes? When are you supposed to graduate? Mid-year or spring? All right, Mr. Singleton, I'm going to do a 12-month delayed sentence under Holmes Youthful Trainee Act. I'm not going to assess any money. You will report to my probation department on a regular basis, and that could be by email. They'll work that out with you. I'm assuming you can give them transportation a couple times. All right. So as long as you're on track for the first month or two, they'll probably let you just do it on email. I'm going to require that you get your driver's license straightened out before the 12 months is up. I'm going to require that you get a high school diploma before the 12 months is up. And I'm also going to order 30 hours of community service charity work. That means you volunteer with some nonprofit agency that's registered with the IRS. Church, soup kitchen, Salvation Army, Boys and Girls Club. I don't care. As long as it's an IRS recognized nonprofit, 30 hours, document those 30 hours. And I want that done between now and December 1, 2025. Do you have any questions about what you have to do to get the benefit of HIDA? All right. Understand, I'm still holding jail time over your head. You make my tail wag or you probably will go to jail. You understand that? All right. Now, I have to say this or I will not sleep tonight. Dude, I am glad I didn't have your problems as a kid. But with respect, with sympathy, I want you to hear what I'm about to tell you. The world does not give a shit if your life sucks till you're dead because of the problems you had in your youth. The world doesn't care. Okay? If I had a magic wand, I would tap you on the head and give you a perfect child.
This can't be real, right? Suing a guy for 10 grand because he went on a date with him is peak 2025 energy. Like, what's next? Small claims court for bad Hinge bios. This dude really hooked up with the wrong girl here. And now he's trapped in a courtroom circus that feels like it was written by a rejected Jerry Spring intern. And look, I'm not saying he's totally innocent. I mean, we'll get there soon, but watching this unfold feels less like a legal dispute and more like an exorcism with paperwork. Also, side note, did you know in a few states you can technically sue someone for intentional infliction of emotional distress simply over a bad breakup? Like, there's a legal pathway for crying over ice cream and calling your therapist. I mean, the dude in the top right here just looks like he aged 5 years in 5 minutes here. I mean, he pretty much just blinked and caught a lawsuit.